Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Positivity and Happiness. I hope you all are doing great, and also my friends, I hope that you all are having a super happy, fantastic, positive and healthy life with your family, with your friends. So from today's video title, you already know today's video is all about evening snacks recipes, healthy evening snacks recipes. We all know, my friends, before dinner time we all feel so much hungry, and especially around 5:30 we need to have something. But as a evening snacks we should have that. We shouldn't have any fried stuff if we are on our weight loss journey. And these recipes will be super easy, so simple. It will be absolutely delicious also at the same time, but it will be very healthy and very helpful for weight loss journey. So yes, my recipes will be healthy as I told you, and it will take just few minutes. Within 5 minutes you can make these recipes. These are so simple, so quick. So now without wasting any time, let's straight go to the kitchen and let's share these recipes with you all. So please keep watching. So my friends, I'm welcoming you all in my kitchen today. Here you can see I have already organized all these ingredients. So with these ingredients and with some extra few ingredients, I'll be making 7 healthy snacks recipes just for you all. 7 healthy snacks ideas I'll be sharing with you all today, which will be so easy to make and perfect for your weight loss journey. So here you can see I have chopped some onion. Here is chopped tomatoes. Also I have cut this cucumber into small pieces. Here is green chili and lemon, and here is all these Indian spices, green chili, dhania and then cumin powder, and here is black pepper powder and salt, and now red chili powder and little bit of oregano. Here is my peanut oil, and this is corn. Actually this is frozen corn. I have microwaved it for a few seconds. Now it's absolutely ready. Here is my boiled rajma, which I have boiled last night, and here is my low calorie butter. So yes, with all these ingredients I'll be making super delicious healthy snacks recipes. And here I'm making my very first recipe, that is corn chaat, which is my absolute favorite. It's so quick and so easy to make. So in this pan I have greased just a little amount of butter, and now I am frying this corn. And my friends, now I'll roast this corn for 2 to 3 minutes. Here you can see I am adding little bit of salt, black pepper powder, little amount of oregano for extra flavor. And now I am mixing all the ingredients well. It will take just 1 minute more to get cooked properly. And finally my delicious healthy corn chaat is absolutely ready. Within just 4 minutes I made this corn chaat, and it's looking so gorgeous and super tempting. And now for some extra spice, I'm going to add little amount of chili flakes, because I didn't add chili flakes while I was cooking it, and also I didn't add any lemon juice. These 2 items I always love to add at the end of the cooking. And now I'm mixing all the ingredients well, and yeah, it's absolutely ready. If you don't like too much spicy, then definitely, my friends, you can skip this part, but I love to add chili flakes, so here it is. And here is my idea number 2, that is Rajma Masala, very healthy snack option and very good for your health and also for your weight loss. So here in this big bowl I am adding rajma, and then onion, chopped cucumber, chopped tomatoes, little amount of green chili and jeera powder, and also red chili powder. And now I am adding little amount of black pepper powder and just a pinch of salt. And now I am giving it a very good mix. And my friends, last but not the least, here is my absolute favorite lemon juice. And finally I am going to give it a very good mix, and it's totally ready. So my friends, if you have your boiled rajma ready as a part of your meal preparation, then I think this is the quickest healthy snacks option that you can make within just 5 minutes. So yes, here is my Rajma salad, absolutely ready, super tempting, nutritious and super healthy. Here comes my idea number 3, which is a very healthy egg salad option. So my friends, those people who love to have eggs just like me, I think this is the perfect combination for you. You can add boiled potatoes, boiled peas and then tomatoes in this salad. And now I am adding little amount of salt and black pepper powder. So my friends, I am not gonna use any olive oil, any salad dressing, nothing. But trust me, it will taste just awesome. And I think my friends, those who love to go to gym in the afternoon time, this snack option will be perfect for you all. Because after coming back from your gym, you can have this protein rich healthy snack. And here is my heart healthy, wholesome, homemade egg salad is completely ready. You can see my friends, it's looking so tempting. And about the vegetable, you can add whatever vegetable you want. You can add broccoli, you can add even cauliflower, or you can add beans, capsicum, so whatever you want. Today this vegetable, it was available in my kitchen, so I used that. And now here comes my idea number 4. This recipe is just so simple and super quick. I don't have to cook anything. I just need to chop my fruits and then I need to assemble it. And here you can see I'm organizing all my fruits here in this small cute wine glass. I absolutely love this glass, my friends. Whenever I serve fruit chaat or even ice cream, I just love it. And now finally I am adding little amount of black salt on the top of it. And yes, my fruit chaat is absolutely ready. And here I am showing you one different way to make another fruit snack which is absolutely delicious. So here you can see I am using this heart healthy low calorie yogurt. And also you have seen that I have added dates, and now I am mixing everything well. Now look at this gorgeous looking fruit snack with yogurt recipe, my friends. It's looking absolutely delicious. And also I have added little amount of peanut on top for the extra crunch. So yes, it's healthy, it's delicious and it's perfect for your weight loss journey. And here comes my healthy snack idea number 5, which is absolutely easy, super simple, super healthy, and also it's just perfect for your weight loss journey. Here my friends, I have just cut my cucumber and my carrots in this way, and this is actually guacamole which is made with avocado. You can use whatever dip you want, even though you can use hummus and you can use peanut butter. So yeah, it's ready. And here comes my idea number 6, which is my absolute favorite masala pepper. It's so easy to make and my all-time favorite healthy evening snack option. So without a oil, I'm roasting my pepper in this tawa. And here I'm putting all my freshly cut vegetables on top of this pepper, roasted pepper. So my friends, you can always deep fry this pepper. But whenever we are making a healthy snack, then I think we should definitely not use any extra amount of oil. So yes, now I am organizing everything, and especially I absolutely love the aroma of freshly cut coriander or dhania patta here, and it's looking gorgeous, so colorful and tempting. And now here I am adding all my masalas one by one, like dhania powder, red chili powder, and my all-time favorite roasted cumin powder, and little bit of salt and black pepper powder. So my friends, these Indian spices, they have a lot of good medicinal values. So yes, we should use it as much as possible. And here, this is the final look of my masala pepper. It's looking so tempting. You can break this pepper in 4 pieces and then you can add masalas and vegetables on top. But I absolutely love it in this way, so I made it like that. And here comes my healthy option number 8, which is again my all-time favorite and very easy to make bread omelette. So here I have taken one brown bread, and now in this beaten egg I have added some coriander and also little bit of onion. And now my bread pieces, they are properly set with the omelette, and now I have folded it and it's almost ready. So yeah, now I am going to enjoy this delicious bread omelette with this flavorful Darjeeling tea. This tea is actually very refreshing, my friends. Sometimes in the evening time, I just love to enjoy this Darjeeling tea. So yes, my bread omelette is looking so tempting and it's super healthy. So now I'll enjoy it. And I absolutely believe, my friends, you have enjoyed my today's recipe. These are actually so easy, so simple, so quick. Within just 5 minutes, you can make these wholesome, homemade, heart-healthy snack recipes. So that's all from today's video, my friends. I hope you have really enjoyed it. If you have liked today's video, then please like it, my friends. Share it with your friends and family. And those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you are really liking my content. And those who have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And it means a lot to me, as I always keep on telling you. So I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new vlog, with a brand new video. So until then, take care, stay positive, stay happy. I'll see you guys super soon. So tata, bye bye, love you.